name is Padasadi from Lindy Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today we will see how to create a application to make the gas filling station easily. First, we need to log in for the Skill Wallet account and we need to go for the Skill Wallet and go to the group projects and click on enroll here. Now I already enrolled for this, so it is showing for go to workspace. Now click on workspace. Here you can see the applications to make the gas filling station using CRM. These are the modules we need to do. First module is to create a developer account. See, this is the developer account. For this, we need to go to the copy this link and paste in the Google. Then there will be a page open, Salesforce sign up. Then you have this page, you can see this page and you need to enter these all details and click on create. Then a mail will be sent to your email account. Then you need to reset your password and activate your account in this. See, this is my Salesforce developer account, and coming to this objects. First, we need to create some supplier objects like supplier and gas for the gas station, and these are some buyers, fuel details. These are the supplier objects we need to create in this object. First, we need to create supplier object. Go to the Salesforce account and click on gear symbol, click on setup. On clicking on setup, go to the object manager. See, here you need to click on create, select custom object, and in this label you need to give the buyer, plural is the buyer form in the and record name is automatically generated, has a buyer name. Text is to be keep as number. Then uh, you need to give the data in this format. Then click on save, and the same in the same way the remaining objects should be created. See, these are the objects we should create in the object manager, and go to the tabs. First we need to create a custom tab. Go to the setup page and type tabs in quick find box. Tabs. Click on tabs. See, here I selected the tabs for the buyer, fuel details, gas station, suppliers. If you want to create a new tab, click on here new. Then you need to ask the object name. You need to give the object, and if you want to set the style, see, these are the styles, different types of styles you can select. And the next one is creating remaining tabs for the remaining gas station, buyer, fuel. In the same way we need to create the tabs. And next is the lightning app. First we need to create a lightning app. Go to the setup page and search for app manager in quick find box and select app manager. In quick find box, app manager. After clicking on app manager, go to the new lightning app. Here you need to give the app name is gas station. Developer name is automatically generated. Image is no needed. And by clicking on next, you need to have to after here clicking on to the next, you can find this type of page. Here you need to select the objects that we are created. That objects are suppliers, gas stations, buyers, and recipient. You need to select each one item for once, and if you select suppliers, and you need to click on this arrow to move the item to that side. In this way, you need to select all the items, and after clicking to the next button, a user profile will be opened. In that user profile, you need to search for system administrator. After searching for system administrator, you need to click on this arrow button and save and finish the process. After creating the Lightning app, we next module is doing fields. Go to the fields, and first one is create junction objects. We need to create a junction object. First, we need to go to setup page, click on object manager, drop down the click and edit for the fuel details object. So we are going to the our app. Now click on object manager, and object manager search for buyers. Click on buyers. Now click on to create fields. Click on fields and relationship. Here you can create the different types of fields. See, click on new for creating the new fields. Here you can select the data type as per the requirement. For here, you can see that uh, here it is not buyers. For the first, we need to create for the fuel details. Click on fuel details, and to create the fields, we need to click on fields and relationship. I have already created the fields. You can see here. For if you are new user, if you want to create a new fields, then click on new, and you need to select the fields. I have already created, so I'm not setting anything. But from here, you can see what you need to create. First, you need to create a master detail relationship. As set that master detail relationship as the data type. Click on next, and set the object as supplier. And you need to click next, and save and new. For the same as gas station, for this gas station also you need to create the same fields, and this is the overview you can see here. After creating junction object, now we need to create master detail relationship. Now go to the setup page, click on object manager, drop down the drop down, click edit for the buyer object, click fields and relationship, and for the fuel date, after click on object manager, you need to for the object ma buyer object, for the object buyer, for the buyer object, click on fields and relationship. See here, I already created the master detail relationship. So if you want to create, click on new, and select the master detail relationship as a data type, and click next, and relation related to the gas station, and then give the field label as gas station name, and click next, and save. Now we need to create the number field in fuel detail object. First, we need to repeat the step 1 and 2 as mentioned in the activity 1 in this create junction object, and select the data type as a number, and click on next. Given the field label as fuel supplied and the length as 5. Then the name will be auto populated, and then click on next, and save. Now we have to create the roll up summary. See, first we need to go to the setup page, click on the object manager, and type the supplier name in the search bar. Click on the object. Now click on fields and relationship, and click on new. Click on object manager. Now click for search for suppliers. Click on supplier. Click on fields and relationship. Now to create roll-up summary. Now click on new and we need to select the data type as roll-up summary. After select, give the field name as sum of fuel details and the field name will be auto generated and select the summarized object as fuel details and roll type as sum. As you can see the clearly in the image. Now select the field to aggregate as fuel supplied and click on next save. The following steps are same for the gas stations uh, and the gas station object. After creating the roll-up summary, you need to create the formula field in the gas station object. See, first you need to go to the setup page, click on to the object manager, type the object name as gas station in the search bar. Gas station. So we need to create the formula field. Click on fields and relationship. Click on new. I already created the formula field here. Click on new and the data type as a formula and click on next. The given field label and set the data type as the formula and the given field label name as fuel available in the bunk and select the formula and return type as number. Click next. After enter this formula by enter the formula and click for check syntax. After checking the syntax, click on save and insert the field formula should be fuel underscore supplied underscore to bunk underscore C minus fuel underscore user underscore C. After creating the formula field in the buyer's object, you have to verify that these all objects are created or not. Check whether the fields that mentioned in the formula field are created or not. If not, go to the activity 9. Go to this activity, and we need to create these all objects for completing these fields. These three. If you're done with these all objects, then you need to validate that these fields are done or not. Because if we complete this field, maximum of these modules will be done. Now we have to create the page layouts. First, we need to create the page layout. To create the page layout, go to the setup page, click on object manager and search for the object as buyer. Now drop down the select the object and click on it. Wait a minute. In quick find box, search for buyers. Click on buyers. Here you can see the page layouts. Here I already created the layout for the buyer. If you want to create a layout, then select the existing layout and give the page layout name as customer layout and click save. See, you can see in the image. Drag and drop the selection field to the buyer details and create the section. Enter the section name as personal details. Here you can enter the section name as personal details and see click how the image is showing that layout as two columns and right left and then click OK. Now drag the fields to the section that mentioned they are. See, you need to order maintain in a order in this form and click on save. Now after creating page layouts, go to the profiles. Now click on manager profile. Go to setup page and type the profiles in a quick find box. Click on profiles and clone the desired. In find box, you can search for profiles. After clicking on profiles, uh, search for the S letter. In front of a standard user, click on clone. Then, after clicking on clone, enter the profile name is manager and click save. While still on the profile page, then you need to click on edit. So I have already created the profiles page. Uh, see, here you need to click on edit and do the further steps. You need to go to the custom app settings as default for the gas station. Click the gas station should be default and platform understand platform standard platform. It should be valuable visible. Now scroll down and go to the customer object permissions. Give permissions to the all. Read, create, edit, and delete. View all, modify all. And the password policies should be in this format only. Must you need to check cross check these whether they are in the in this format or not. No, we need to create sales executive profile in the same way. See, and the customer object permission should be uh, read for buyer and fuel and gas and supplier also. And the edit option should be enabled for the gas station and click on save. Now salesperson profile. Go to the setup page. Uh, Type the profile in quick find box and in sales platform. In this, here in the sales one just once again sales platform user. Here click on clone in front of it and the repeat and go to the edit option and click enable these options. Now role and hierarchy. We need to create the manager role. For this, go to the quick find box and search for roles. And pick for rows and select expand all. See, I have already created the manager role here. Simple it is. Click on add role under the which role you need to add, and then you select the role as manager, and then add role. See, and the respected in this way you can add the role and create the other roles. And we need to create the remaining roles as sales executive and salesperson. And now next we need to create the users. First we need to create users here. First user is Nicholas Mike Ellison. See, he is one of the user we created dummy user, and we create the another user and with some other name, and we need to give the permissions for them. See, in this way we need to give the permissions Go to the get setup page and type the permission sets, and under app selection object settings, click on object settings. For the P1, enable permission to read and create, and click on save. Here you can find the users we created, and in this way we need to uh, assign the permissions. Now set up OWD. OWD is nothing but organization wide defaults. The first one is to create OOD setting, OWD setting. Go to the setup page. Uh, Search for sharing settings. We need to enable the sharing settings for the manager role. Uh, and in the same way, we need to uh, see now user adoption. In this, we will see the how to create a record, and how to create a record, and see I will show the one of my record. See, these are the records created by me, Bharat Oil, Indian Oil, HP. These are the records. In this, we can see how to create a record, and how to view a record, and how to delete a record. See, for to view the record, click on this. Now you view the record. This is the record. If you want to delete the record, select here and click on delete. In this way, you can delete the record. Now reports. Now first we need to create a report folder. Click on app launcher and search for reports. Double click on reports. Reports tab will be auto populated in the navigation bar. See, here we search for reports. First we need to search for reports. See here, reports tab is automatically populated on the board. Here with the report we created, amount range, see fuel estimation, and sharing settings. We need to share our folder to the specific role, like manager or sales executive or any member CEO. Now here I shared the this report to the uh, manager role to share. We'll see the later. First, to how to we will see how to share the records. Go to the app manager, click on reports tab, and click on all folders. See, click on all folders. These are the all folders. Here you can see the fuel estimation. Here you can see the share option. Click on share, and the user should be roles. And here you need to select the manager. I have already assigned this to the manager role. So here we can't see the manager option. So then select, see after here giving the user roles, and search for the manager, and you see here I given the option to the manage, and click on done. Uh, after after that, create a report. Now we will see how to create a report. Go to the app and click on reports tab. Click on new report. See, click on reports tab. Here, click on new report. Mm, and we need to select the type of record and and see here the type of record is here we need to search for gas station with buyers. See gas station with buyers. We need to select this one. By selecting this, we need to create. By selecting, we create this report. See the next step is the outline panel is opened already. Select the fields that mentioned below in the column section. Here there is a column section. In that we need to select fuel filled in vehicle and amount paid and remove the unnecessary fields. And in the group row selection, we need to select fuel available in the bunk and the customer name. See like this, and we need to enable all these row count, detail rows, and subtotals and grand total in this formatting rule, and mention the range from 1000 to 5000, and don't change the color and the colors, and click on done and click apply. See in this way we can create the reports, and finally we can see our reports in the amount range. Now go to the dashboards. First we need to create a dashboard. To create a dashboard, click on app manager and search for dashboards and click on dashboards tab. See, go to the app manager, app launcher, search for dashboards. See, create new dashboard. If you create the new dashboard, we will create a new dashboard by clicking on it. I already created the dashboard, amount estimation dashboard. The folder unique name is automatically generated, and click on save. By this, we can create the dashboard. Now we need to create a dashboard. For this, go to the app launcher, search for dashboards, and give the name for the created folder. Click on the name is estimation amount, and click on create. Folder name will be we need to select that amount estimation dashboard on a select folder. Then create, and here you can see the amount range. See like this a flowchart will be created, bar graph. Now we need to create flows. To create a flows, search for flows in a quick find box. See, I have already created the flows. First flow is so to create flows, click on search for flows in quick find box and click on new flows, and uh, click on record trigger flow. By click on us, there is a page of there will be page populated like this. There you can give the object name as buyer, and configure trigger is a record is created or updated, and now change the mode from auto layout to free mode. Here top you can see the mode. From here you need to change the auto layout to free mode, free form. There now click on manager and click for new resources, and search in the new resource, select the text template and enter the API name as email body. There will be then in the body section select this text, paste here on that given body section field, and select there rich text to plain mode. Here you can see that view as plain text. Click. We need to click on view on plain text. Now click on elements and drag the action element to the preview plan. Their action bar will be opened in the search bar for the sent email, and click give the label name is notice. API name will be auto populated. See, action as send email. The notice label is notice, and API name is automatically generated, and body is email body. And you need to include subject as welcome to the gas station. See, come to gas station, and recipient address list record email ID underscore C, and then give the flow label. See, click on save. After activate and deactivate. Now we need to create Apex trigger. To create the Apex trigger, go to uh, Salesforce page, open developer console, right click on it, open in a new tab. We have already done with this module. So for this, we need to click on files, open fuel record handler. See, and next next thing is gas station object and fuel details object. These two should be created. So in triggers, before delete, click on open trigger and before insert. These three should be copy pasted, and click on files, save all. That's it. We are done with our project. After completion of these all, go to this page and click on project workspace. There, scrolling down, the all the models are in the backlogs, and you need to move this from here to here, from backlogs to review by drag and drop method. Like this, you need to do for all these modules, and that's it. And here you can see that overall project progress is 90%. That's it. Thank you.